Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the media streaming not working issue in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Step 1, show hidden files and rename Media Player folder, open File Explorer. Click on this PC, then open the drive where Windows is installed. Navigate to the Users folder and open your user account. Click the three-dot menu at the top and choose Options. Switch to the View tab and select Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Click Apply, then OK. After applying the setting, go back to the local disk drive. Open the Users folder again. Open your user account folder once more. Now you will see a hidden folder named App Data. Inside App Data, open the folder named Local, then open the Microsoft folder. Inside the Microsoft folder, look for a folder called Media Player. Right-click on the Media Player folder and select Rename. Change the name to Media Player Old. Press Enter on your keyboard. Close the window and restart your computer. Step 2, enable related services. Open the Start menu, type Services, and open the Services app. Locate and double-click on UPnP device host. Set startup type to automatic and click Start if it's not running. Click Apply, then OK. Do the same for Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service. Step 3, check Windows Search feature. Open Start, type Windows Features, and click Turn Windows Features on or off. Look for Windows Search. If available, ensure the checkbox is selected. Click OK to confirm. Step 4, configure group policy. Open Start, type gpedit.msc, and press Enter. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Media Player, double-click Prevent Media Sharing. Set it to disabled, click Apply, then OK. Restart your computer. Hopefully this tutorial helped you fix the media streaming issue on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.